Hey guys, it's Chef Richard Papier. I'm here with you again today for another great Uncommon Threads unboxing. So today, we're going back to something else that's very, very familiar and dear to me. Probably the first product I ever got from Uncommon Threads that I was turned on to by a friend. I had a friend who used to do Dinner Lab, which was all across the U.S. And he had one of these, and I thought it was such a great looking chef coat for just being your typical white chef coat with a little pizzazz to it. And not only was it great looking, but it fit well and it lasted well. And here it is. It is the Aruba Pro Vent Chef Coat. Every one of my chef coats at my restaurant in Aruba were one of these. This is all I ever wore. Mainly because of their great mesh moisture wicking back at vents. You can see in here another. I mean, anything that they do, they put this on, I'm buying it just to stay cool in the kitchen. It's awesome. And not only with that, I like it because it's a short sleeve with your thermometer pocket and your pin pocket. That's always really important to me. It's also a 35-65 blend, which means you can get stains all over it, but get it off rather than 100% cotton. It is white or black, the two fish it comes in. It's reinforced tacking, as you can see all across the back, like all the rest of the nicer coats are that they make. It's got cloth color buttons, which is awesome, gives it a little more professional look. And one of my favorite things that I still like on chef coats is the fact that you've got this to hold it down, so you don't have that flap coming at you. Nothing's worse when you're cooking and this is flopping out and you're looking a mess. It's also great if you're a lefty. It'll go to the other side too as well. Does come in larger sizes, so if you're not a little guy, you can get that too. And it's just a great overall chef coat. I'll pop it on and show you real quick what it looks like. The great thing is, again, this is one of those chef coats with more of a premium feel without a premium price. This jacket is $29.35 as of the time I'm looking at on the website. I've got probably about 10 of these guys, and they still look brand new. And it just looks really clean too once you've got it buttoned up at the top. It's a very clean look. You don't look messy, you look professional, you look like you're here for business. I mean, this thing, look at it. Nice cut. Fits great. And it's just a great fitting jacket. You can see on the back, the mesh. Hopefully my loud shirt's bleeding through so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. Like I said, it's near and dear to me. I've got several of them, and this is all I ever wore every day to work. Hey guys, this has been Chef Richard Papier, unboxing Uncommon Threads and the great clothing they make. See you later.